Hey everyone, ever wondered why some homes sell for top dollar while others struggle on the market? Today, we're revealing 7 common mistakes that can seriously tank your home's value, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. Whether you're planning to sell soon or just want to keep your home in tip-top shape, these insights from top real estate agents are game changers. Let's dive in and make sure your home stands out for all the right reasons. First on our list is poor maintenance, a silent value killer that many homeowners overlook. Imagine walking into a house with peeling paint, leaky faucets, and clogged gutters. Not exactly appealing, right? Small maintenance issues might seem insignificant day to day, but they add up and can lead to bigger, more expensive problems down the road. Think about it. Would you buy a car with obvious dents and scratches? Probably not. The same goes for your home. Neglecting regular upkeep not only makes your home look shabby, but can also signal to potential buyers that there might be hidden issues. Simple tasks like repainting chipped areas, fixing leaks promptly, and keeping your gutters clean can make a world of difference. Regular maintenance shows that your home is well cared for, which can be a big selling point. So, grab that toolbox and make a checklist of maintenance tasks. Addressing these minor issues not only enhances your home's appearance, but also prevents costly repairs and maintains its value. Remember, a well-maintained home is like a well-oiled machine. It just runs better. Next up, let's talk about DIY projects gone wrong. We all love the idea of a good do-it-yourself project. It can be fun, fulfilling, and sometimes save money. But when DIY goes awry, it can cost you big time. Think about that tiling job that never quite lines up, or the paint job with uneven coats and drips. Poorly executed DIY projects not only look unprofessional, but can also decrease your home's value. Potential buyers might see them as red flags, wondering what else might be wrong. Take tiling, for example. Properly laying tile requires precision and skill. If the tiles aren't evenly spaced or the grout lines are messy, it can turn a beautiful kitchen or bathroom into a deal breaker. The same goes for electrical work. Unless you're a certified electrician, messing with wiring can be dangerous and lead to costly repairs. Now, I'm not saying you shouldn't tackle DIY projects. They can be a great way to personalize your home and even increase its value if done correctly. But it's crucial to know your limits. For projects that require a high level of skill, like plumbing, electrical, or extensive renovations, it's often best to call in the pros. However, there are plenty of DIY projects that are safe and effective. Painting walls, assembling furniture, or updating decor can all be done with a little patience and care. If you do decide to go the DIY route, do your research, watch tutorials, read guides, and maybe even practice on a smaller project first. Remember, the goal is to enhance your home's value, not diminish it. Moving on, let's discuss over-personalization. We all want our homes to reflect our personalities and tastes, but going overboard can actually hurt your home's market value. While it's important to make your space your own, it's equally important to consider how your choices might impact potential buyers. Picture this: you walk into a home with a bright neon living room, custom murals of your favorite sci-fi characters, and rooms painted in bold, unusual colors. It might be perfect for you, but it could be off-putting for many buyers. When it comes to selling a home, broad appeal is key. Overly personalized decor, such as unique color schemes, customized built-ins, or niche design themes, can limit your pool of potential buyers. A lot of people prefer a blank canvas, where they can envision their own style and preferences. So, what's the solution? Stick to neutral tones for walls and major furnishings. Neutral doesn't mean boring. Think of it as creating a versatile backdrop. Add personality with easily changeable elements like throw pillows, artwork, and rugs. Another tip is to focus on quality and timeless appeal. Invest in features that enhance the home's overall value and aesthetics, like good lighting, quality flooring, and updated fixtures, rather than highly specific design choices. Remember, the goal is to make it easy for buyers to see themselves living in your home. By keeping the decor more neutral and avoiding over-personalization, you create a welcoming environment that appeals to a wider audience, ultimately protecting and even enhancing your home's value. Next on our list is ignoring curb appeal. The exterior of your home is the first thing people see, and a neglected exterior can turn potential buyers away before they even step inside. Imagine seeing an overgrown lawn, peeling paint, and a cluttered front yard. Not appealing, right? The outside of your home sets the tone for what buyers can expect inside, so it's crucial to make a good impression. Start with the basics. Mow the lawn, trim bushes, and remove weeds. A neat yard instantly looks more inviting. Next, consider a fresh coat of paint for your front door or exterior. Updating lighting and adding potted plants can also enhance your home's look. Remember, curb appeal is about making a great first impression. Investing a little time and effort into your home's exterior can attract more buyers and potentially increase its value. Next, let's talk about unnecessary upgrades. High-end features that don't match your home's style or neighborhood can be a waste of money. Think about installing a $10,000 luxury bathroom in a modest home. It might look great, but if it doesn't align with the rest of the house, you likely won't get that money back. Focus on upgrades that enhance functionality and appeal, like modernizing your kitchen or adding energy-efficient windows. These offer good returns without breaking the bank. Consistency is key. Make sure any upgrades fit your home's overall style to avoid turning buyers off. Smart, sensible improvements are the way to go. They add value without overdoing it. Now let's talk about neglecting energy efficiency. Energy-efficient homes save money and attract eco-conscious buyers. Drafty windows and outdated insulation signal higher energy costs, turning buyers away. Simple upgrades like double-pane windows, better insulation, and LED lighting can make a big difference. These changes require an upfront investment, but offer substantial savings over time. Energy-efficient appliances and programmable thermostats are also attractive features. They save money and add value to your home. Focus on energy efficiency to save money, add value, and make your home more appealing to buyers. Finally, let's talk about poor quality materials. Using subpar materials can lead to frequent repairs and a less appealing home. Cheap flooring and easily scratched countertops not only look bad, but also wear out quickly, requiring costly replacements. Investing in high-quality materials like hardwood floors and granite countertops enhances your home's look and durability. Quality materials signal a well-cared-for home, making it more appealing to buyers. Spending a bit more on quality pays off in the long run by boosting your home's value and appeal. There you have it, 7 ways people unintentionally destroy their home's value. Avoid these pitfalls, and your home will not only retain its value, but could even increase it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.